Hi kids, welcome to Knee High. So today we're going to sing a song, and we're going to sing a yummy song. Sometimes it rains outside and it waters all of our plants and helps our food to grow and cleans everything off and grows all the beautiful flowers we see in the world. But this song is going to be a yummy song. You want to sing along? Leo and Carter. That's Leo and Carter. They're going to sing along with us. Okay, are you ready? If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide, saying, ah, 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 ah. Yummy. If all the snowflakes were lemon drops and cupcakes, oh, what a snow it would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide, saying, ah, 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 ah. That's yummy too. Did you like that song? Let's sing it again. If all the raindrops was lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide, saying, ah, 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 ah. We're going to get all of those yummy raindrops. Did you like that song? Let's sing another song. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Achoo! It rolled off the table and onto the floor. And then my poor meatball rolled out of the door. Achoo! So if you like spaghetti all covered with cheese, then hold on your meatball and don't ever sneeze. Achoo! That's another funny song. A yummy song too. Makes me want some spaghetti. How about you? Okay, let's sing one more song. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Let's do it again. I'm a little teapot, short and spout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Did you enjoy those delicious, yummy songs? I think I'm going to have me a cup of tea now. What about you? All right, thank you for watching. Come back again. Mwah. Bye-bye now.
Hello boys and girls, my name is Mr. Porter, and today I'm going to teach you how to count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. Are you ready? I can't hear you. All right, but first I want to introduce my friend Tyler. Tyler, can you say hello to the class? All right, good job, Tyler. All right, let's begin with number 1. E, 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 1. R, 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 2. Sun, sun, sun. 3. S. 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 4. 五 五 五 5. 六 六 六 6. 七 七 七 7. 八八八 8. 九九九 9. 是是是 10. Very good listening, boys and girls. Now this time, I want you to say them along with me. Can you do that? All right. Here we go. Can you say E? Okay, like the letter E. But in the Chinese tone is E, E, E. Good job. Very good. All right. Number 2. R. 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 All right. Fantastic. Can you say sun? Sun. Sun. Fantastic. Oh, y'all doing great. Aren't they doing great, Tyler? That's right. You're doing great. Can you say the next number, which is 4? S. 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 Outstanding. Good job. All right, number 5. Here we go. Wu. Wu. Can you say wu? Good job. All right, we're on a roll. We're halfway there. All right, here we go. Number 6. Can you say Leo? Leo. Leo. Tyler, can you say Leo? Good. Outstanding. Very good. Leo. 6. All right, next number 7 in Chinese is, can you say Chi? Chi. Chi. I tell you, you're doing a great job. Good job. Keep up the good work. Number 8. Can you say 8 in Chinese? Repeat after me. Ba. 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 Excellent. All right, we got 2 more. We've already count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. Can you say Jiu? Jiu. Jiu. 9. Excellent. All right, last one. Can you say Sure. 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 All right. Can you repeat after me? E R三四五六七八九 Sure. Excellent. You did a very good job. Pat yourself on the shoulder. Give yourself a hand. Good job. Keep up the good work.
Good morning and welcome to Knee High. So today, kids, we are going to speak about our feelings. My name is Miss Porter and I have a friend with me today and his name is Charlie Brown. So, who is Charlie Brown? We'll introduce him, but first we're going to talk about a word today. And the word is called determination. What does determination mean? The ability to continue trying to do something even if it is difficult. So, for your understanding, what is determination? It means to keep trying even if it's hard, keep trying even if it makes you upset, but never give up, just keep going. So Charlie Brown here, our friend, he has a lot of determination. Let's explain who Charlie Brown is. He is a lovable person who never gives up. He's a kid, just like you. So even though he almost wins and sometimes loses, he still keeps trying because he has determination. Do you see that long word on the screen? Determination. That is something that we have to do. Like when we're learning to tie our shoes, or we're trying to write our names, or maybe we just want to play a game. We have to keep going, have to never ever give up. No matter how hard it is, and sometimes you cry, and sometimes you get frustrated, but you never give up. You just keep trying. So let's see what Charlie Brown is saying today. If you grit your teeth and show real determination, you always have a chance. So do you believe that? If you keep trying, you'll always have a chance at doing things. If you give up, then you won't find out how rewarding it is to do them. To have fun, you have to take chances and take turns with doing games. You have to take turns when speaking. You have to take turns when just having good old fun. So you have to take turns. Even when you're learning something, it takes time and determination. So you have to keep trying. Never give up. Never say, I just don't want to do this anymore. I quit. You cannot quit. Because if you quit, then you won't have the joy of knowing how to do things. So in order to learn how to do things and to learn how to have fun with others, you have to have determination and never give up. Remember, that's your word for the day. That's a big word for you too. Determination. Determination. When I do this, repeat that word after me. Determination. See? You did it. You said it. Okay? So remember, whenever you're doing something throughout your day, throughout your little lifetime, yes, you're a little person with a life. You never give up. You stay determined and you keep doing and you keep going, and one day you will win what you're trying to do. So here's a hug from me to you, and remember, never give up. High five, Charlie. Bloop. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.